Hello everyone, welcome to my chemistry channel BL Das Short and Sweet in Chemistry. Now I am going to focus on the name of inorganic compound for class 10. Though I am going to explain for class 10, but it is very important for the class 11th and 12th also. Now here part 7, the compounds having trivalent cation and divalent anion. Trivalent cation means plus 3 charge and generally they are metal, and they are also called basic radical. Fe plus 3, Al plus 3, Bi plus 3 and As plus 3. As plus 3 means arsenic plus 3. Bi plus 3 means bismuth plus 3. Aluminium plus 3 and Fe plus 3 means ferric plus 3. Other one is ferrous Fe plus 2 and now it is Fe plus 3 ferric, because here we require trivalent cation. Divalent anion, that means the anion having minus 2 charge, they are called Ac radical. And now see carbonate CO3 minus 2, sulfate minus 2, SO3 minus 2, sulfite ITE, S minus 2, sulfide IDE, O minus 2, oxide Cr2O7 minus 2, dichromate CrO4 minus 2, chromate MnO4 minus 2, manganate. If it is minus 1, then it is permanganate, but here we require divalent anion, that is why MnO4 minus 2. Now let us start to compound. Aluminium carbonate, Al mean plus 3, carbonate mean CO3 minus 2, so it is Al2 whole CO3 whole 3. How can you say? Al2 CO3 whole 3. Ferric sulfide Fe plus 3, SO4 minus 2, then what is the formula? Fe2 SO4 whole 3. Bismuth sulphide Bi plus 3, S minus 2, so to actually the formula is Bi2S3. Now again you see trivalent cation and divalent anion, the compound here in part 7 I am going to explain. And now here this is these are called trivalent cation, Fe plus 3, Al plus 3, Bi plus 3 and As plus 3. Divalent anion, that is minus 2 charge, that is anion, and these are carbonate, sulfate, sulfide, sulfide D, oxide, dichromate, chromate, manganate. An example, aluminium carbonate Al plus 3 CO3 minus 2, Al to CO3 whole 3. Similarly, ferric sulfate Fe2SO4 whole 3. Similarly, bismuth sulphide, bismuth Bi, BIS means Bi2S3. That means here 2 will come to Bi and 3 will come to sulfide. So the formula is Bi2S3. Now we will see other examples of with 3 trivalent cation with divalent anion. So many examples are there. Now you observe here other examples of the trivalent cation and divalent anion. Now these compounds, they are formed by the combination of trivalent cation and divalent anion. Ferric oxide Fe plus 3 O minus 2, so the formula becomes Fe2O3. Ferric mean Fe plus 3, ferrous mean Fe plus 2. Aluminium chromate, aluminium Al plus 3, CrO4 minus 2, so it is aluminium chromate. Arsenic sulphide As plus 3, SO3 minus 2, so 2 will come to here, 3 will come to SO3. So what is the formula? As2 SO3 whole 3. Ferric manganate, manganate MnO4 minus 2, permanganate MnO4 minus 1, so it is Fe plus 3 MnO4 minus 2. So what is the formula? Here 2 comes to here and 3 comes to here, so Fe2, how can you say? Fe2 MnO4 whole 3. Now here aluminium oxide Al plus 3 O minus 2, this is very important for the different chemistry general principle of extraction, and here the Al plus 3 O minus 2 Al2O3. The pure one is called bauxite. Now aluminium dichromate Al plus 3 Cr2O7 minus 2. So 2 will come to aluminium and 3 come to Cr2O7. Then how can you say the formula? Al2 Cr2O7 whole 3. Aluminium sulfate Al plus 3 SO4 minus 2. So 2 will come to aluminium and 3 will come to sulfate. So the formula is Al2SO4 whole 3. Arsenic sulfide means As plus 3, S minus 2, it becomes to As2S3. Now here again see ferric oxide Fe plus 3, aluminum Al plus 3, arsenic sulfide As plus 3, ferric again Fe plus 3, if it is ferrous it is Fe plus 2, aluminium oxide Al plus 3, aluminium again Al plus 3, aluminium Al plus 3, arsenic As plus 3. Now you can see oxygen minus 2, oxide is minus 2, CrO4 chromate is minus 2, SO3 sulfite ITE minus 2, manganate MnO4 minus 2. If it will be permanganate MnO4 minus 1, but now it is not required because we are doing the formula by the combination of trivalent cation divalent anion. Similarly, oxide O minus 2, dichromate Cr2O7 minus 2, sulfate SO4 minus 2, S sulfide minus 2. So here what you are doing? You are doing that cation having plus 3 charge comes to radical, acid radical, or you can say anion. And anion that negative charge, 2 negative charge comes to any trivalent cation, either aluminium plus Fe plus aluminium plus 3 Fe plus 3, As plus 3, Bi plus 3. Now these are the compounds. Easily you can do other compounds also. You can combine other radicals and to form trivalent cation divalent anion compounds. I hope you clear all the formula of these compounds. Hope you will subscribe and like and share my channel BL Das, short and sweet in chemistry. And thanks for watching my video. Thank you again all.